Welcome to Death Row, where some things just ain't fair, but it's all part of what we call the crushing game, baby. 1996 OBS Chevy Silverado 2500, baby. She's going on down and going on up. That's what we call that upper room status, baby. That's what we call that upper room. Just like Eddie Murphy said, that upper room. Boy, that's a funny ass movie. Life is one of the best movies you can watch. Man, life in prison and living life all at the same damn time. Got the GMC Sierra. Boy, we starting off the morning with all Chevy trucks. Man, y'all see how more easy it is for me to actually stick 2 trucks in my Crusher than I could with Cowboys Crusher. Have to jog that baby, let that baby there jog. Right quick, that way we can fit in that other one too also. We sticking 3 of them on this baby here. Boy. Then we got another one, 1996 OBS Chevy Silverado 4x4. Guarantee that bottom green one is going to get stuck in the Crusher. Watch. It's probably going to have a little hell. Probably getting that baby out. Watch. Alright, let's see if this baby gonna fit right on up off in there. But she ain't got no rear end, so shit, it should make it a little bit better. But you know, things can happen sometimes. We do know that some things can happen. See what I mean? Alright, let's try this again. Damn, now the other lead spring broke. I know. I think this truck here was in water or underwater or something here, because everything on this sucker is just, I mean, it's just rusted beyond all recognition. Let's see what that baby gonna look like there. See what that baby is going to look like. Boy, I tell y'all, man, I'm feeling good today. Today is Friday. Boy. Got a lot of things I'm trying to do this weekend. So hopefully I'll be able to get a chance to do a lot of things I want to do. Hopefully that I can. What you doing, Ozzy? Watch it, playboy. Let's see if this baby gonna get stuck. Sometimes it be a pain in the ass to get these grills. See what I mean? Yep. There we go. I got that baby. There we go. Ain't worry about wrapping. We'll wrap this baby here come later on. Right now, I'm just gonna stick her down. That's a nice little crush right there with that, man. That seriously was a nice little crush. I mean, that came out better than what I thought it would. Seriously. Oh, y'all check it out. Look, all the baby mama drama. The Nissan Altimas. Boy, I tell you, man, if these goddamn Nissan Altimas could tell stories, woo-wee. It'll be all kind of stories. They can tell you fights that happen inside the cars and every damn thing. Boy, it will explain everything. I tell y'all, man, a lot of these Nissan Altima, they done been through a lot. On the side of the road, seat cut all up, windows broken all out. She trying to run him over, he trying to run her over. Oh, man. That's all it is, just that drama, baby, that drama. Whoops. Let's see what we got here. Got the old 2009 HHR. Let's see how well would that baby fit up my foot just like that? Would she fit just like that? Let's see, would she give me problems? Oh man! Oh look at that, man, just about smooth as silk. Boy, don't get no better than that, baby. They got the weakest door jams ever. They really do. They have the weakest door jams. What we got here next? Oh. Then, I know I ain't gonna be able to put that one off in there because I already got 1/4 stick completely out the windshield, so I can hang that one up. That's something right there. Give you guys a better view of this baby. Got the 2000 Lexus ES. I think this is a 300. I think it's an ES 300, but I could be wrong. I mean, I done crushed so many of these damn things. It's hard to keep up with all of them, but to me, they're all the same. They are all the same to me. Toyota base cars. Because base is all it is. Just another form of a down mid Toyota, but just on the little bit expensive side, I would say. But I could be wrong. I've been corrected a few times. But you know, it is what it is. See, I like my Crusher because my Crusher is a lot more sturdier. And it doesn't matter where I go. I can put a board up under it, and I don't really have to worry about putting tires up under it because mine is just pretty sturdy. That's what I love about my Crusher. I'll hardly get any problems out of her, but I'm not going to jinx myself neither. Because we all know what can happen if you jinx yourself. We all know that. Boy. The 2004 Mercury Sable. Some of these cars was good. Some of these trucks were the best. Kind of like the 3 Chevys I just crushed. Well, I wouldn't say the red one, but I would say definitely them OBSs would be the best ones. But man, some of them suckers right there, boy, they was built to last for real. I mean, some of y'all may disagree, but oh well. I mean, that's just my opinion. That's how I feel about it. Yeah, that it would happen like that, huh? But the door just want to pop right back open. We'll fix that real quick live. Oh, let's see. Watch this baby. Here go. Is on the drain. Whew. Tell you, man, I'm about to hold this damn be strawberry soup around this camera. Real. this one right here don't need no introduction. Y'all should already know what this is. I mean, these were these were common as hell. Super common. Come on, baby. Oh, come on now. Papa got a brand new bag. I don't know, it's just something just to watch a trash can Ford go down in a drain like that. It's just something fascinating about crushing a Ford, period. Doesn't matter what it is. It could be a Mercury, it could be, doesn't matter. That's a Ford still, regardless of the situation. Oh no, it's kind of like getting a hard on. You know what I mean? Oh. Santa Claus have came and delivered today. Man, just a minute ago, it seemed like it wanted to pour down rain just a minute ago. It did a little sprinkle, but that was about it. That's about all it did. Y'all should already know what this is right here. This that dumpster Dodge right here. Dumpster Dodge Ram 1500. I tell y'all, man, this death row status, it is what it is, baby. Oh, you got to be kidding me. Come on, ass. Yeah. I'm talking about, what's that ass off in there? You might give you another push or two. They say a little push for the cushion doesn't hurt nobody. There we go. Another one down the drain. But y'all stay up and I stay up. Peace. I'm out.